Hi everyone, welcome to Billionaire Mentor. Today I'm going to share with you the most profitable business ideas that you can try as a student. But before that, I'd like to share with you this story. There was a man taking a morning walk to the beach. He saw that along with the morning tide came hundreds of starfish, and when the tide receded, they were left behind with the morning sun rays, and they would die. The tide was fresh and the starfish were alive. The man took a few steps, picked up one and threw it into the water. He did that repeatedly. Right behind him, there was another person who couldn't understand what this man was doing. He caught up with him and asked, "What are you doing? There are hundreds of starfish. How many can you help? What difference does it make?" This man did not reply, took two more steps, picked up another one, threw it into the water, and then said, "It makes a difference to this one." I know everyone wants to make a difference, but what difference are you making? Big or small, it does not matter. If everyone made a small difference, we'd end up with a big difference, I guess. So many students out there have this feeling that they should not start engaging in business as their sole purpose is to study. Well, I guess you're wrong. There are several easy to start and manage businesses that a college student can conveniently combine with their studies. The reality is that if a student can manage and create time for a social life and for the internet, they can as well make time to start and create a business and manage a business. Currently, the internet has made it possible for anyone to successfully launch businesses with little or no cash. And as a student, you can leverage on the potential of the internet to launch your business. There are numerous online businesses and offline businesses that a college student can successfully start with little or no startup capital within campus, off campus, and during holidays. After simple research, I came up with these profitable ideas that I'd like to share with my college brothers and sisters who are interested in making money while studying. Number 1, party promotion. With no doubt, most college students love partying. In fact, I used to help people promote their parties, which I think it can be done by anyone if you have enough social skills. This can enable you to make quick and outstanding income if you know how to promote parties and get the best DJs and party people to events. Do you know any celebrity comedian or singers? If yes, then you can organize shows involving these celebrities while making upfront payments. Number 2, event planning. I remember participating in a university competition once. This came to remind me that the whole event was planned by this simple outgoing college guy who saw diamond in the mud. There are endless college events, from student parties to award nights to first-year admission party and so on. Why not throw yourself in the middle and make some money? You can offer your services and help in organizing such events and get paid for it. But there is one thing though. Starting up might be challenging as you will need to be able to persuade sponsors that you can handle the job without a glitch. One of the best tips during startup is to offer your service for the first few jobs for free. Then you start charging when you have proven yourself to be an excellent event planner. Hey, stop dreaming, go out there and make some money. Number 3, sale of SIM cards and internet bundles. I used to know this guy, and of course everyone knew him. Off of selling SIM cards and internet bundles, it took him 8 months to buy 2 rental apartments in the city. Selling of SIM cards and data for different network service providers is another easy way to launch a business that a college student can successfully run on a campus. Apart from people that subscribe to paid packages for their mobile phones, most students purchase SIM cards and internet bundles on a regular basis. It doesn't matter which country you are in, but selling SIM cards and internet bundles is a modest, easy way to establish retail business, and that does not require upfront skills. Number 4, photography and videography. No matter where you are, but students love to find moments that can help them forget the rest of the stressful life. Among the best ways to keep these memories is through taking pictures and videos, and most of them will end up sharing on social media. With this in mind, there are chances of making good money if you are a very good photographer. You can also record campus events, let's say when celebrities appear on campus, and sell them for a fee. Number 5, sell videos online. With growing need for videos, different companies have invested a lot, meaning that it is pretty much easier for people to produce creative videos as a college student. You can consider creating and selling educative videos. Let's say you love modeling. Platforms like YouTube allow you to leverage by publishing your videos, which can be educative in terms of teaching others how to become models or by showing them how to model. If you can produce videos to teach people how to do things for themselves and put them online, you'll be shocked at the rate people will be demanding from all over the world for your videos. Number 6, start blogging. Life is becoming really easy as time goes on. Previously, we used to have people getting an incredible amount of money, thousands of dollars for making websites. There is no need to hire professional website developers these days. You can create a blog on blogger.com or WordPress and start writing about topics you are passionate about. All you need to launch a business like this is your computer and internet connection. When you gain enough blog traffic, you can make money from Google AdSense or other third-party advertising companies. Number 7, consider affiliate marketing. Everyone seems to have the same goal. Wake up in the morning, open their laptop. Yes, that's the point behind passive income. About 99% of people, affiliate marketing is how they get started. The idea behind it is that you promote other people's products, often through an affiliate network, earning a commission if people actually end up buying things. It's based on revenue sharing. If you have a product and want to sell more, you can offer promoters a financial incentive through an affiliate program. If you have no product and you want to make money, then you can promote a product that you feel that has value and earn an income from it as an affiliate marketer. What an affiliate marketer does is help promote products and services of other companies and earn commission from sales made. You will need a good knowledge of web marketing, sales copywriting, and pay-per-click marketing to become an affiliate marketer. All these skills can be learned online. You don't need a college degree for this. Number 8, become an online tutor. Online tutoring creates greater flexibility around the world that opens up to make money more creatively. If you are smart and very good academically and wouldn't mind teaching others, you can make money by becoming an online tutor. There are websites that offer such services, and you can sign up to become one of their tutors, or you can create your own website and start helping students get better at their academics. Let's say you have a good command of the English language. You can videotape your whole course and register yourself on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even YouTube. There are so many people in need of learning your skills. Again, only thing you need is a computer, internet connection, and the rest is history. Number 9, freelance writing jobs. Freelance writing jobs is another easy to start business that a college student can successfully run from on campus. If you are a skilled and creative writer and you have enough time, then you can earn good income from freelance writing business. There are tons of websites that can enable you to secure high-paying writing jobs. Some of the sites where you can bid for freelance writing jobs are freelancer.com, upwork.com, guru.com, and elance.com. With these sites, you can get writing jobs that can comfortably pay for your bills while you are studying. Number 10, Forex trading. The global Forex is the largest financial market in the world, and the potential to reap profits in the arena tempts foreign exchange traders of all levels, from beginners just learning about financial markets to professionals with years of trading experience. So this is another profitable business that a college student can successfully start. Trading currencies online could be a risky venture, but it is indeed a very rewarding online business. If you have good analytic skills and you have complete knowledge on cash flow and the exchange market, you can do well as a Forex trader. You can Google Forex trading platforms and tutorials to learn how to become a professional Forex trader. Many Forex traders quickly enter the market, but then quickly exit after experiencing losses and setbacks. In the end, everything needs effort, learning through failure, and being responsible rather than waiting for opportunities to find you while complaining about life. Now I want you to share with me the most profitable business idea from this video that you have found fantastic to start with. Thanks for watching Billionaire Mentor. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content. We love you and stay safe.